Do you have a 2007 to a 2014 Cadillac Escalade? Well, I just traded up to a 2008 Cadillac Escalade ESV with a 6.2 Vortex engine in it. If you have one of these years, you probably want to check out my channel. In there, I will show you tons of repairs that you can do yourself with very little tools. It'll save you tons of money than rather you going to the dealership to have the work done. Just click up on the right hand corner and it'll take you to my playlist. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Believe it or not, this really helps me to continue making these repair videos. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Well, as you might know, I just picked up this 2008 Cadillac Escalade ESV. After examining this vehicle, it seems like 90% of the stuff on this vehicle was in good condition. But there were some things that were wrong with it that are easy to fix. One of the things was my rear driver's side armrest was loose and it was ready to fall off. This is pretty easy to repair and it doesn't take very long. If you have this problem on your Escalade, Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, or any Chevy or Ford product, and you have this problem, you have a 99% chance that after watching this video, you'll be able to fix it yourself. These are a common problem in pretty much all cars. So let's get to work. So the first thing you're going to need is some tools. You're going to need a 1/2-inch socket, a short extension, and a ratchet, just like you see here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to position the armrest just above 3 o'clock. As you can see, I drew a red line. You want to be just above 3 o'clock position. The reason being is you want the armrest in the correct location when you're screwing it in. Then just take your socket, insert it into the hole. You'll feel the bolt in there. Once you feel that you've connected it in correctly, go ahead and tighten it up. What you want to do is just get it snug. Don't over tighten it. Move the armrest up and down. Make sure it's not wobbly like it was before. Once you feel you've given it the correct torque, go ahead and test it. See how easy that was to fix? Okay, we're not quite done yet. We still got a gaping hole in our armrest. Now, if you're lucky enough and saved your cap, then you're pretty lucky. But if you're like me and don't have one, you'll have to go on eBay and find one. Here's the one that I found on eBay. They're pretty cheap to get. Plus they're brand new, so the plastic shouldn't be brittle. This is the box that it came in. And if you turn the button and look at the back side, you'll see where the red arrow's at, this little plastic spot here. It kind of goes from center up and down, right where the arrow's at. When you put it in the hole, you're going to want this part here straight up at 12 o'clock. And there's a reason for this. What you're going to want to do is put your finger in the hole and feel up on top at the 12 o'clock position. You're going to feel a groove. It's going to look like this example that I'm showing you. You'll see there's a notch up on top. That's where this plastic fits into this slot as you push it in. So make sure it's in the correct position before you push in and snap it in. Otherwise, you won't be able to get it in. All you do is put the cap in there, position it 12 o'clock. Push in, and it snaps in. And there you go. You're all done. Move the armrests up and down to make sure the cap doesn't pop out. If so, just go ahead and apply it back in again. Man, I'm sure glad I got that fixed. It doesn't look as trashy back there now. Anyway, see how easy this was to fix? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.